I'm driving round South Africa, looking for adventure, looking for some animals I won't see in a zoo. I'm talking to a ranger who convinces me his park is perfect as a park could be for you. It's the countryside residence of 600 elephants. 600 elephants! That hits the mark. 600 elephants will do. Elephants! Elephants!
600 elephants!
I rise up early morning while the sky is still dark, and I bounce my little car down the lumpety-bumpety roads of Addo Elephant National Park. I'm looking out for flapping ears and listening for trumpeting, but all I see is morning mist, a tortoise and discomforting silence in the fynbos. No thrushes, no larks. I never spot a pachyderm, not a single heifer lump. Is it possible not to notice 600 elephants? Where are those elephants? Elephants!
600 elephants!
Zebras are heedless, the kudus are clueless, the bushbuck are backward, the ostrich is useless. A jackal says they're that way. I find out it's truthless. I loiter at a colony of nests that hang like nooses. No chance, say the weaver birds, well, you can't pass on intelligence relating to the whereabouts of 600 elephants. Where are those elephants? Elephants!
600 elephants!
I stumble on a sleepy lion, mane of flame and jaw of iron. Did he see them passing by him? I don't know, he yawns, replying with indifference. I see a secretary bird. She files her nails and won't give word. I'm not deterred too much by her denial that she's ever heard about a herd of elephants. I happen on a lone hyena, ask him if he's ever seen a tusker, though from his demeanour it's evident that I won't glean a nanobite of relevance. I ask a passing buffalo, which way did the jumbos go? The buffalo says, I don't know. Ask a buffalo. I never saw no elephants. I look in the grasslands, I look in the scrub. Perhaps they've gone on holiday, perhaps they're in the pub. Perhaps they've met a poacher and they're on an ocean liner. Victims of the ivory trade in Thailand or China. No, that joke's not funny. Forgive me my irreverence. It's irksome when you can't find 600 elephants. Where are those elephants? Elephants!
600 elephants!
Elephants! Elephants!
600 elephants!
I fall back on bushcraft. Roadside spore like bowling balls is evidence of hooted troopers. The size subdues me to a stupor. If a pooch had stooled such doos, you'd need to use a super-duper diesel-powered pooper-scooper. I'm being daft. I needn't study scats when splintered thorn scrub and snapped off tree trunks say that 600 elephants can't be far away, and plying all my wisdom, the confirmative sign is 27 tourist vehicles parked in a line. I join the assemblage, and I swear it on my soul. I see 600 elephants round the waterhole. 600 elephants, happy, hale and hearty. 600 elephants, they rock and they roll. Matriarchs, patriarchs, little babies, all the park's elephant establishment are having a party. I just can't extol the unexpected elegance of 600 elephants, making trumpets of their hoopters, using them as water shooters. I've never seen a thing as cute as 600 elephants. I'd love to bring you closer, but my words ain't got the eloquence to elucidate this spectacle of 600 elephants. Elephants! Elephants!
600 elephants!
Elephants! Elephants!
600 elephants!
10 at a time they go to wash. I watch their bodies writhe about, squidge and squelch and splash and splosh, submerged in mud up to their chins. It's a waste of effort, 'cause when they come out, they're muckier than when they went in. They're elephants! Elephants!
600 elephants!
Elephants! Elephants!
600 elephants!
I used to be a sorrower, but now I'm a celebrant, rejoicing in the company of elephants! Elephants!